Hi friends! Today we're going to draw the cute friends from Bluey. Let's get started with excitement. First, let's draw Winton, the English Bulldog. We draw a line down like this for his body. Then we draw Winton's ears and his eyebrows. Draw another line down for his body. Now let's draw his arms. Next, draw his legs. And a tail behind his back. Now let's draw his face. Start with the eyes, then the nose and mouth. Finally, draw the patterns on his body. Yay! Winton's drawing is done. Now let's trace all the lines. Time to color. Use any coloring tools you have. We use reddish brown for the ears and eyebrows. Then brown for the tail, legs, arms, and body patterns. One of Bluey's friends is finished. Now let's draw Buddy the brown pug. We draw a basic shape for the body. Then draw the arms. Now the ears and eyebrows. Next, continue the body. Add a tail. And to legs at the bottom. Now the face. Draw the eyes, mouth, and nose. Buddy is done. Let's color now. Use dark brown for the ears and eyebrows. Gray for the nose. Red for the tongue. And light brown for the whole body. Don't forget to trace the lines again. Winton and Buddy are finished. Aren't they super cute? Thank you for drawing with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next drawing video. Bye-bye.